Yes students, today we will start from question number 8. We will continue exercise 8.1. In 8th sum, find the area between x is equal to y square. This is the equation of a parabola. And x is equal to 4. This is the equation of line which is parallel to y axis. The area between x is equal to 4 y square and x is equal to 4. Firstly, we will draw the graph for these two curves. Y square is equal to x. This is right-handed parabola, and x is equal to 4. Suppose at this point value of x is 4. So this is line. Now area between these two curve and line, this shaded region. Now find the value of a line x is equal to a, which passes between these two lines and which divides this complete area in two equal parts. And let us suppose this line passes through point a, and we have to find the value of a. And what is given to you? Both these regions, area of both these regions is same, means area of region 1, this is equals to area of region 2. This is given to you. So in this first region, value of x varies from 0 to a, and in second region value of x varies from a to 4. So we will take both these area equal. In first part we will take limits from 0 to a. In second integration we will take limits from a to 4. Now here both the areas touches x axis, because this complete area is equal to this portion, and here above and below x axis both areas are equal. If this complete area is equal to this complete, then half of this also will be equal to this. So that's why we are taking half area on both sides. So in this area value of x varies from 0 to a. In second part value of x varies from a to 4, and both regions touches x axis. That's why we will integrate in both cases with respect to x. Now this area is below this curve, and this curve is portion of this parabola. So from the equation of parabola we will find out value of y in terms of x, which is equals to root x, and here also value of x, value of a function will be root x. So now both the side we will integrate. What is the integration of root x? Integration of root x is x raised to power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, then upper limit and lower limit. On this side also same answer, same value of integration. Here limits a to 4. Now when you will put upper limit and lower limit, then it gives you this is equals to 2 by 3. This constant term it remains as it is. In place of upper limit write down a raised to power 3 by 2, and when you will put x is equal to 0 it will be 0. On the another side again 2 by 3 constant term remain as it is. In place of x write down upper limit 4 raised to power 3 by 2 minus a raised to power 3 by 2. This 2 by 3 is cancelled with 2 by 3. A raised to power 3 by 2 comes on this side, it becomes twice of a raised to power 3 by 2, which is equals to 4 raised to power 3 by 2. And when you will simplify it, then what is the value of 4 raised to power 3 by 2? 4 raised to power 3 by 2. 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64 root. This is equals to 8. So what is the value of a raised to power 3 by 2? This is equals to 4. Or you can say a is equals to 4 raised to power 2 by 3. So this is the value of a. So now we will do question number 9. In question number 9, firstly see what is the graph for mode x. Graph for mode x, this graph will be V shape, and here value, if the term inside the mode, if you equate it equal to 0, then it gives you x equal to 0. So this vertex V touches at x equal to 0. If you have inside the mode suppose x minus 1, then this value inside the mode it gives you x equal to 1. In that case graph will be again V shape, but now this vertex touches at x is equal to 1. In this way you can draw graph for modulus function. So we will use this topic graph of modulus function in next question, question number 9. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square, and second is y is equal to mod x. Now y is equal to x square. This is upward parabola and y is equal to mod x. So here in this case graph will be this V shape and touch the x-axis at origin. We have to find area enclosed between this parabola and this y is equal to mod x. This is the intersecting point of parabola and this y is equal to mod x function. How you will find out this intersecting point, coordinates of this intersecting point, because this intersecting points gives you value of x and y, value of x here. So in this case, if you are taking, suppose y is equal to plus x, if you put here x, y is equal to x, then it becomes x is equal to x square, or you can say x square minus x equal to 0, x into x minus 1 equal to 0. It gives you x equal to 0 or 1. Means this line intersect this equation of parabola at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Means at this point value of x will be 1, and if x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? Y is also 1. But when you will take negative sign, then you will get this another intersecting point, and on this side this is negative direction, so coordinates of this point will be minus comma 1 comma 1. Now both these area of both regions are equal, so we will find out area of shaded area in first quadrant and then we will multiply it by 2. Now if you see here, this area is not touching this x-axis. So firstly we will find out area below this line. Below this line means this complete area, which is equals to integration, and here value of x varies from 0 to 1, and the equation of line is y is equal to x. So here in place of function write down x. This integration gives you area of a region. Let us suppose the shaded area is region 1. We are finding here area of region 1. So this integration gives you this complete area below this line where value of x varies from 0 to 1. Now but we want to find out only this much area. This region is extra, so we will subtract second this area which is below this curve, again touches x-axis, and after subtracting this area we will get the value of this shaded area. So for subtracting this integration here, limits again value of x varies from 0 to 1. Now we are taking area below this curve, and what is the equation of this curve? This parabola, x square is equal to y. So from here what is the value of y in terms of x? X square. So after subtracting it, this second integration from first, this area is deleted which is below this curve. So we will get this area from these two integrations. So here what is the value of answer? Answer will be integration of x is x square by 2, upper limit minus lower limit, integration of x square is x cube by 3, and when you will simplify it, it becomes 1 by 2 minus 0 means 1 by 2. Here 1 by 3 minus 0, it will be 1 by 3, and after simplifying it, it gives you 1 by 6 square units. So 1 by 6 square units is the area of region 1, and we have to find out both regions. Both regions are equal, so multiply it by 2. So total area will be 1 by 3 square units. So this is the question number 9. Only just graph of modulus function is used in this. Next, question number 10. In question number 10, find the area of the curve. Here also one equation of parabola x square is equal to 4y, which is upward parabola, and one simple line x is equal to 4y minus 2 given to you. So graph will be for parabola, upward parabola, this is the graph, and for line, firstly we will find out intersecting point of this line and parabola. From here what is the value of 4y? 4y is equal to x plus 2. Here in this equation, in place of 4y write down x plus 2. So it becomes x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. And when you will simplify it, so x square minus 2x plus x minus 2, taking x common. So here factors will be x minus 2 and x plus 1, or you can say what is the value of x, 2 and minus 1. It means this line intersect this parabola at these two values, x equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. At this point value of x is minus 1, here value of x is 2. So in this way, at these 2 points this line intersect the parabola. Clear? And now we have to find out this total area enclosed between this line and parabola. If you see here, for this shaded region, value of x varies from -1 to 2. So here we will take integration, and value of x varies from -1 to 2. But here we will take function this. Firstly we will find out this total area below this line, means this complete area. So from the equation of line, what is the value of y from in terms of x? Y is equal to x plus 2 by 4. This integration gives you this complete area below this line and which touches the x-axis. But now we have to find out only this area, so we will subtract this lower portion area from this integration. So we will subtract second integration. Again value of x varies from -1 to 2, but now this below portion area, this is below this curve. So here equation of curve is x square is equal to 4y. From this equation of curve, what is value of y in terms of x? X square by 4. So after subtracting it, this area is deleted, so you will get this required area after subtracting. Difference of these two integrations gives you this required area. So very easily you can integrate these two functions and you will do calculation work yourself, upper limit minus a lower limit, which gives you area of shaded region. So this is question number 10. In next video, question number 11, find the area of region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x and the line x is equal to 3. This question you will do yourself. Here also again one equation of parabola and one line is given to you. In this case again where parabola is right-handed parabola and the line x is equal to 3, this is parallel to y-axis, passes through x equal to 3, and you have to find out area enclosed between this line and parabola. So here this x-axis divides this area in two equal parts. We will find out area of one part, upper part, and you will multiply it by 2, it gives you total area. So very easily you can do, it's very simple. Now in question number 12, find the area in the first quadrant bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equals to 2. Now all of you know that center of this circle will be 0, 0, radius is 2. So this circle will be this, and the line x is equal to 0 means y-axis, and x is equal to 2 means this line just touches x-axis at x is equal to 2, means this is tangent of this circle. And now you have to find out area in first quadrant. Find the area in first quadrant between these two lines and circle. Area of first quadrant means you have to find out only this much portion. And all of you know that this is area of quadrant, means 1/4 of area of circle. And what is in MCQ's form, what is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square, and 1/4 of area of circle means pi r square by 4. And what is the radius of circle? Radius of circle is 2. So when you will simplify it, you will get pi. So pi square units is the area. In case of MCQ's question, you can do like this, but in subjective type you will completely solve it. So this is question number 12. Now see last question of this video, question number 13. In question number 13, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x. This is again parabola. Y square is equal to 4x means this is right-handed parabola. And next y-axis means this line, and line y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3, this line, this parabola, y-axis, and y is equal to 3. Area between these three, this area. If you see here very carefully, value of y varies from 0 to 3. This area touches y-axis. That's why in this case we will integrate with respect to y. And if you are integrating with respect to y, limits also we will take for y. So value of y varies from 0 to 3. Now what is this area is below this curve. So from the equation of this curve, you will find out value of x in terms of y, which is equals to y square by 4, and 1 by 4 is constant term. Integration of y square is y cube by 3, then upper limit minus lower limit, then it gives you 9 minus 0. So after solving it, it gives you 9 by 4 square units. This is the required area. So this is exercise 8.1.